To believe in the power of art and to embrace it unconditionally, it takes a creator. All the arts for all the people. Ruth Kohler not only saw the bigger picture, she was the one creating it. In the 1970s, she brought ceramic artists from around the world to collaborate with factory artisans in Kohler. It was the beginning of a residency, her legacy, that is still thriving today. It takes a creator to recognize the art of manufacturing and open people's eyes and minds to unconventional creativity. A lifelong curator, activist, and the heart and soul of a local and global arts community, she planned the preservation of art unlike anything in the world. Ruth would recognize the creator in you, unafraid to bring your imagination to life. Come, all creators. Let's shape the next 150 years together.